everyone, I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue. In this video, I'm going to show you some ideas on how to organize your inventory and find your inventory when you sell it. I've got a new system here, so if you're looking for something new for 2020, just keep watching and I am going to show you the Duck Pack and Track system. Let's get started. I use these banker boxes and they've worked out quite well. They're very lightweight. I put a little label that I printed out on the end, and I used to work just by color only, and of course I have one for swimsuits and one for skirts, one for dresses. Obviously I sell a lot of clothes, but it's getting to the point where you can see here I have several boxes for black. I have black and white, I have black and white print, and I have black and gray print. And so it's getting harder for me to find my items when I come down here to pull a box, and it's just wasting too much time. So I found something new and I'm excited to show you what I'm using, and it's working out pretty good. See this little, you can see this label here, it's a QR code. And this is put out by duckpackandtrack.com. And I'm excited about this. I heard about it from someone, I think they were called in on Scavenger Life when Scavenger Life podcast was looking for ideas on doing inventory. And so I bought some and I'm just now setting it up. I have a few down here. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to video and walk through exactly how I do this. As I said, it's called Pack and Track by Duck, and the original intent of this was for people who are moving and packing their boxes and they want to know what is in each box. Got these off of eBay. You can see they were originally from Walmart for $4 a pack. There are 40 labels per package, and I figured, I got 2 packs, I figured that 2 packs should do it for me. And inside you get a sheet of 4, and these QR codes are specifically for the Duck and Pack system. You can't scan them with any, well, I don't know, it says somewhere on here that it's only good for their system only. So you can name your box, put in some information, and scan the QR code. So I've got one here that I'm going to be using. I'm going to walk you through and show you. It has a little drop-down box on the app. You can watch a video on how to use it. There's information, frequently asked questions. You can order labels online, but you can check all these things out and give it a try. I am not getting paid for this. This is not an advertisement. This is not a promotion. This is something I just heard about on another YouTube video, and I knew that I needed to do something, and so this is what I chose to start. And I only have an $8 investment between the 2 packs, only $8. I'm also going to use these for my closet inventory by just simply putting the label on a sheet of paper in a sleeve and just tacking it either inside the closet or right outside the closet door. So I'm going to use it for my hanging clothes as well. And let's just take a look here at some of my inventory. Let's turn around here. I'm in my basement where I store my inventory. So I package all my clothes in these clear bags. And I've talked about these in one of my videos of some of my helpful tools and tips. So I love these because they don't get all clumped up. They stay pretty nice. So the first thing I'm doing, and this is just my own thing that I'm doing, I'm going through my box of clothes here, and I'm separating it. I'm pulling out all my smalls and medium. Let me turn around. Ooh, don't get dizzy here. Swiveling around. I decided to separate out my smalls and my mediums because I'm not doing that well with small and medium. And I'm putting them on auction this year, and I'm going to get rid of these by year end, one way or the other, if I have to donate them. And so I have one of these set up for small women's tops, and I have one set up for medium. So out of all those boxes over here, let's turn around again. These boxes just contain size large through plus size. Okay, so let's get started. First thing I have to do is I'm going to be separating this out. You don't need to watch this part, but I'll come back on and show you how I use the label. So I have my app opened, and it is a free app, and you have three options here. You can scan the QR code, you can look up your boxes, and you can find your items. But I'm setting up a new box, so I took the label and I wrote down orange because that's the color, and I like to do, because I have multiple boxes perhaps for that same color, I have orange 1, women's tops, and the first thing I need to do is take my phone and I need to scan that card. So I'm going to take and scan the QR code, and I'm trying to work with two phones at the same time. Okay, it picked it up, and this is where you can edit the label. And I'm going to choose keyboard. You can voice it, but I found that it doesn't always hear exactly what I want to say. Oh, guess what? It's typing what I'm saying. I think I'll cancel that. Okay, I want to edit the label, and I want to choose keyboard. It will type what you say, but it may not be exactly how you want it. So I'm going to go down to my keypad. Again, I'm trying to film this with a phone while I'm working on my phone. I'm going to put in orange. I'm going to choose number 1. And it's a variety of sizes, so I don't need to worry about that. I'll put women's tops. And I can label the box, so you can see it's labeled. The box is labeled. And then I'm going to edit the location. Again, I'm going to use the keyboard. And I'm going to put BSMT for basement. And I'm going to put banker's box, because that's what type of box it's in instead of a tote. Okay, so banker's box, label it. So there, I got that set up. Now you go to add item, and you can voice it again, or you can keyboard. I'm going to grab, let's see what I'm going to grab. I'm just going to grab this New Directions 2X, and I'm going to type in here New Directions. And I'm going to put in 2X. It's the size that I didn't want to take when I was trying to do the voiceover. And I'm just going to do add it. Now, if I had a second New Directions top, I might have to do a variation in the title. So I'm going to add a couple more items. Add item. Choose keyboard or voice if you'd like. And I have a Cato XL. This is something I like about the app. You can actually take a picture of the item. So I'm going to come over here. Oh, you have to choose camera. And come over here and just snap a photo of the item. Put it in the box. This is in the box. Take this label, peel it off, and put it on my box. So let me take a second and get that applied to my box. Okay, so I have the label applied to my box, and it's going to be a permanent application, and I will change the inventory in it as I pull out inventory and add inventory. All right, let's go back. What does this app do for us? Well, of course, I showed you how you can scan the QR code, and each one is different per label. And let's find my boxes. So what do I have done so far? So I have my aqua teal 1, black. I have 3 boxes, black 1, 2, 3, a blue box, a brown box, pink, purple, red, etc., etc. And then I have the totes, you know, the size small and the size medium totes. Well, I found out that I can sort this page, and I can sort it by location, and I can sort it by label. So let's say I sort it by location. Location has the basement box, and then it's just alphabetical. And then I can sort it by label. But one thing I'm not real happy about is if I go into one of these boxes and I've added all these items, I cannot alphabetize the items in there. It doesn't mean that I can't find them. Of course, I'll want to go back and delete these items when I'm done. Let's go back here to the beginning, and then finding items. You can find it by doing the keyboard, or you can find it by voice. Let's do a, oh, I accidentally touched voice. See, it's typing. Let's cancel that. Let's do find, and let's do keyboard. Ralph Lauren. You can see I have a blue box with 2 Ralph Lauren, so I added one for the blue and white and one stripe to identify. I had to give them a different name. I have one in the orange box, and then I have in the size small, the big green tote, a size small pink. So there you go. That's how you can search. You can also do something else. Let me walk over to my boxes and I'll show you. I'm over here at my aqua and teal box, and I have this marked as aqua teal number 1. So I've got my phone here. You can see I have my QR code. I'm going to choose scan, and I'm going to go up and scan the QR code. And it pops up and shows me that in the aqua teal box, labeled number 1, as I set it up, it tells me what is in the box. Again, it doesn't show it alphabetical, but it's here. Check another box. Let's go to the purple box. I'm back at the beginning. I'm going to choose scan, and I already scanned it so quickly, and it's the purple one as I named it, and it shows what is in the box. So that is how easy it is to use this duck pack and track, and I have to tell you, I'm excited about it. I think I'm going to love the system this year. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications on future videos. I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue. Thanks so much for watching, and please share my video on your social media. This inventory system might help others as well. Give it a try. Let me know. Leave some feedback below on how you do your inventory, and if you have tried this system and how it's going for you. Thanks for watching.